quilters, we get this question a ton. People talk about applique dies, and this is our new Go Hedgehog die.
Yes.
And they are a little confused about how to add fusible.
Okay, so let's show everyone.
Yep, so our little tutorial today, we're going to show you how to add the fusible, and then we're going to cut a hedgehog.
Awesome.
So what we did was we measured these shapes.
Yes.
And we cut fabric to measure to those shapes. And then we cut fusible a little bit smaller. Mm-hmm. Did you like that?
You did. I did. That was cute. That was cute.
Yep.
So we're using batiks today, and I like to look at my batiks because we say there isn't a right and a wrong, but there kind of is.
Yeah.
So when you look, you can usually tell that there's one side that's a little crisper than the other. I think this is our right side. So we're going to put that right side down. We want to fuse this onto the wrong side.
Yep.
We're just going to lay it on our mat. Now, because it's smaller, we don't have to worry about using a pressing sheet.
Right.
And we're just going to make sure that we don't want to press it too hard, but...
And we sell fusible on our website, and you can tell the part that should go to the wrong side because it's bumpy.
It is. It has a texture to it. Mm-hmm. So again, I'm going to take a look at my fabric. This is my right side. I'm going to feel my fusible, put the bumpy side down on the back side of my fabric, and press.
Yep. And I'm going to let you do these tiny little pieces for the ears.
Okay.
And then while Erica's doing that, I'm going to talk about, Erica and I talk about all the time, once we cut pieces out of fused fabric, we keep those pieces. Because look at all the real estate that we can use on this fabric that's already pre-fused. And which is what we're going to use for our little nose and our eye.
Oh, that's so clever. And I have a basket right next to my cutting table.
Mm-hmm. Of pre-fused fabrics.
Yep.
Yep.
And I just grab it out anytime I need an eyeball or a little flower.
Anytime I need an eyeball.
Anytime I need an eyeball.
Just lay it right out there.
Okay.
All right, so now we're going to lay them over our shapes.
Oh, there's for our little body.
Now, a couple of things to remember. We can always cut 6 layers of cotton fabric, but once you put fusible on it, you can only cut 4 layers.
That's right.
And you no longer have to worry about that lengthwise grain because, I got to make sure we're cutting the eyeballs. Because that lengthwise grain, it doesn't matter anymore because the fusible is going to keep it in place.
Right.
So put on a 5x10 mat.
Right.
Now, Erica, since it's on a 5x10 die board, what cutter can it go through?
It can go through any of our cutters, but we're using our Go Big today because it's here on the set, and we've got it all set up with our Go Big die catcher. If you have a Go Big and you don't have a die catcher yet, be sure you pick one up.
All right, so we're just going to lay our pieces out here on our mat.
We get to build a hedgehog.
Let's build a hedgehog. Okay, there he is.
Look at those little prickles. I cannot imagine, as much as I love hedgehogs, which I do, I would not want to sit and cut these by hand. I would think that it was a clever idea.
Yes.
And I would cut one.
For a hot minute, you would think, oh, this is clever.
Hey, Pam, do you know what a group of hedgehogs is called?
No, please tell me.
A prickle.
No way, really?
Yes, I looked it up.
Okay.
It's a prickle.
Okay.
Okay, here's the inside of the ear.
Okay, and I think here we're gonna, our little fabric's moved here, so we're gonna put the ear here.
There's the ear, and there's the inside of the ear. Whoop. It's like he lost his toupee.
A nose and an eyeball. Now, Erica, here's the question of the day. If this is an applique die, are there embroidery designs for it?
Well, as a matter of fact, there are. We have free downloadable embroidery that's basic outline stitches, 3 choices of stitches. There's a blanket stitch, a motif stitch, and a satin stitch, which is perfect for something that you're going to wash a lot, like if you're putting it on a sweatshirt or maybe a tablecloth or a tea towel.
Something fun.
You know I'm going to make a tea towel with a hedgehog.
So many hedgehogs, tea towels. And it's super cool because it will outline the stitches for the nose and the eyes and the ears, everything. It'll be perfect.
But if you don't have an embroidery machine, it's no problem. You can obviously use a straight stitch from your machine, quilt off the top, or use a decorative stitch.